topics in genetics. So without delay, we can let's start the topics. The topic name is genetics. So we can first of all start with some basics, terminologies, and what is the terms is given by different types of scientists. So first of all, the terms genetics. Genetics terms is given by a scientist known as Watson. And father of genetics, father of genetics is Sir Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel. And father of experimental genetics, father of experimental genetics. The scientist name is Thomas Hunt Morgan. T.S. Morgan. Thomas Hunt Morgan. They can work a fruit like scientific name is Drosophila melanogaster. Work on fruit like scientific name is Drosophila melanogaster. And after that, one another scientist who can discover the first genetic disorder known as Elicopton 2. The scientist's name is Berry. They can discover first genetical disorder. The disease name is Elicopton 2. Elicopton 2. And we can also known as black urine disease. Black urine disease. So these are the some basics for the scientist purpose. After that we can start the genetics with some basics. So without delay we can start. So first of all, how can define the genetics terms or genetics? So basically the terms genetics means the genetics. It is the scientific or technical study point we can study in branch of biology. The science which can deals with the study of heredity and variations is technically known as genetics. The science, so basically we can say as the science which can deals with heredity and variation is known as genetics. So here two important terminologies is also introduced. And what is the meanings? One is term is heredity and another term is variation. So we can first of all clear this means after that. So here heredity. What is the meaning of heredity? So we can study it first. Heredity meanings is the simple where just like the transmissions of characters from one generation to another generation. Just like the if we can getting characters just like that, so these characters are acquired by either both of them contribution just like the mother and father. Both they can contribute characters after that this transmission is also there. So here we can technically define heredity. Heredity is transmission character. Character, it should be either singular or dissimilar. It should be singular or dissimilar. Transmissions of character from parents to their offspring. To their offspring. From one generation to another generation is known as heredity. So that is the things heredity. And another term is variations. So what is the meaning of variations? Variations, it should be just like a distinguish between two closely related individuals are become RSSs. So where if two kinds of similar are just like as we can say that when we have them just like as our brothers sisters are closely related things, how they can distinguish and what is the variation. So basically the variation is the degree of percentage which can show differences between two closely related individuals. So variation is degree of variation to closely related members of same species organisms slash individual. And another one question is there, important question, how variations comes. So basically we have two things is there. So basically mode of reproduction. So one kind of mode of reproduction is asexually and another kind of mode of reproduction is sexually. So more than that times the variations must occur via sexually reproduction. Due to the reason behind, in case of sexual reproduction, two parents is also involved and gaptogenesis is also there. After that, when recombination is there in the cell divisions, just like as the pectin stage in propaguan stage. So basically, where recombination medium chance of crossing over there, so that after that the recombination is also produces and they can also produce lots of amount in variation. So the reasons for variation is types of reproductions are mode of reproduction. So here two types are, one is sexually and another one is asexually. So here sexually reproductions can produce maximum number of variations as compared to asexual reproductions. And another reason is arrangement of chromosomes, arrangement of chromosomes and metaphasic plate. And another main reason is recombination. So these are the things responsible for causing variations. And we can also know about the variations in which cells they can carry variations or which can transfer variations, just like as the two types of cells is here. One is somatic cells and another one is germ cells. So basically somatic cells they can transmit their characters from one generation to another generation. Why? The germ cells they can transmit or one characters from one parent to another parent or one generation to another. So that is the reason the germ cell is basically responsible for the transmissions of the characters. So these are the things related to variations. After that, we can move forward in another terminologies.
10 हो गया 10।
So, so here we can discuss some things related to minerals. First of all, we can discuss some things related to minerals. So we can know about what is the contributions of minerals. So minerals, they are founder of other genetics and they can perform their work on genetics in pea plants having 7 pair of contrasting characters. The technical name of the plant is Pisum setarum. Pisum setarum. And they can give the law. They can give the law in inheritance. Law of inheritance. Here we can include the 3 words of law. One is law of dominance, another one is law of segregation of gametes, or we can also known as in another words, or we can know about law of purity of gametes. And third law is law of independent assortment. These are the 3 laws which is given by the Mendel, and these laws have some exceptions. So basically, what is the exceptions for this one? Law of dominance deviate. Deviations means what is the phenotypic ratio in Mendel's law is what is but and after that class we can see in some deviations and result is very just like the Mendel's law of genotypic and phenotypic ratio. So these are the deviations, and here still another law is also here. So namely law of dominance is deviated from incomplete dominance and co-dominance. And the deviations of law of segregations is just nothing, but in some case we can study about the non-different these things. So here exception is not there, but we can study some cases non-disjunction.
हो गया सर 15 मिनट।
And the law of purity of gametes is deviated in form of lineages. So these are the exceptions of Mendel's law. So